Good morning from me and Starry on this very cloudy winter day. Yeah. There is a lot to unpack in this YouTube video, so let's get started with these crazy little ones right here. So today is a not feeling good day. I have a cold and I started my period, of course, all at the same time. So I thought I would share with you my medicine that I take for colds and pain and stuff. So this is my medicine. Look at it. Doesn't it look nice? And it's steaming. So it is nettle leaf, dandelion root, echinacea, ginger, white willow bark, red raspberry leaf. I believe that's all. Yeah, I think that's all. Okay, so it's got pain, that would be the white willow. It's got inflammation, which would be the dandelion root. It's got antihistamine, which would be the nettle leaf. It's got hormone kind of period support, which would be the red raspberry leaf. And echinacea, which would be an antibiotic. And then I forgot, usnea. I just picked a whole bunch of usnea. And this is antiviral. So there's usnea in here. So I'm gonna let it steep. It's hot. I'm gonna let it steep and then I'm gonna drink it up. And I'm gonna do this. I like to double brew all my teas. So I'll do a strong batch, usually like 3 times a day, and then I double brew each one. So I'm drinking it like 6 times a day. So, yep, and there's my medicine. And you can see here, Tommy came down with the cold as well. And our little companions hanging out around us. I love seeing them all together. They're so sweet. Here we are working on a project that I need to put a video together for. Theodore is working so hard putting this mirror up. Yeah, you've done a good job, Theodore.
Yeah, you want some screws?
Give him a screw.
You gonna give him to Papa?
Where's your tools? He had his tools out. And then winter hit. And here in South Carolina, it hit hard. But then tragedy happened. I'm really sad right now because I didn't realize Starry was on my shoulder. And I walked outside and he flew away. So now I'm just praying that he comes back. It has now been 4 weeks since Starry went missing, and I haven't seen him since. So here is a little goodbye video. Starting from when I first got him from my parents' attic and going throughout the whole time that I had him. Just some of my favorite videos. Tommy and I will both miss him, Theodore as well. He was so sweet.
Take a bath.
Now that we've had a good cry, I would like to change the tone of this video to a happier time. Here you can see Theodore dancing in the snow for the first time. Little snowflakes were falling, and him and his papa, my dad, were just having a good time.
Everyone has their floodlights on so that we can see the snow. It's snowing! Look at the snow.
Oh no. Noah. Hey, David. What's it? Bye.
Hey!
Cheese.
Cheese! Can you say snow?
So the amount of snow we got, I think, was perfect. Theodore got to see it for the first time and play in it some, and we didn't end up with a soupy mess when it melted. Now, it was muddy, but it wasn't that bad because it doesn't stick here, so it melts really quickly. But I want to leave this on an even happier note. So the next little clip is a little glimpse of some things. So excited! I'm so excited.
Oh. Oh no.
This man right here is my dream come true. My dream come true.
Because you got a little bird in your lap.
Look at this baby. He's my dream come true. Who makes my dreams come true?
You got a baby bird in
I
your
got a
lap.
baby
You got
bird.
a name.
Yep, I got
Whitey.
Whitey.
Snowball.
Oh. Some of them were boys because she could tell by the way they were talking and stuff. So
They were talking, you could hear them. I didn't hear them talking.
you didn't hear them? They were like
I just saw them
bobbing their heads. Yeah. Here is a little better view. Whoop, whoop, crawling into my hand. Did you see those colors? It was so fast. He was so fast. He was so fast. Hey. You like little head scratches, huh? Yeah. Ooh, a happy wiggle. It's a happy wiggle. This baby is a Quaker Parrot. And we need help picking a name. So leave your suggestions in the comment section. And I am leaning towards the name Cupcake. But if you have a suggestion, let us know. Let me see if I can show you the colors. I'm going to turn you around here. Okay, so it is cloudy outside, so you might not be able to see the colors too well. But there's this really sweet blue color peeking through, and the baby still has little fluffies. So, ooh. All the colors haven't come out yet, but I want to see if I can get the flight feathers right here. They are beautiful. There's all sorts of colors. There we go. I can't wait to get a good video or end pictures with the sunshine on these feathers. There we go. There's like purple and blues and looks like kind of teals. Yeah. And then this baby has blue cheeks. You can see it coming through all the little pin feathers in there. You can see little blue cheeks. So yeah, leave a comment what you would name this little baby. And we will let you know in the next video what we pick. Yeah. We don't know if it's a boy or a girl yet. Yeah, we'll figure that out at a later date. The baby is 4 weeks old. So this is a 4-week-old baby. It's so sweet. I'm so excited. Yeah. Leaving the video on a happier note. Ooh, yawns.